J Tiger in Thailand. This is Ochin, and he is a hardware store cat. Oh yeah, he's a big one.
Very big.
And
Rocky.
everybody's been petting on him, and he says, "I just want to take a nap." And there's a couple cats in here, and they keep the cats inside the hardware store because this is a huge hardware store. And the cats help keep the mice and the rats out. And this guy is famous. Everybody comes in and pets him. And oh God, he's got a super long leash. he'll go a lot of places. Sometimes he tries to head out the door, but they don't let him. He'd get out in the road and wouldn't be good. But he is super fluffy and loves petting.
Yeah, very
Super calm.
Very kind, very nice cat.
It's right around lunchtime. It's nap time. And you can. This is a picker upper. You can pick him up and everything. He just doesn't care.
น้องสาวพี่อ่ะกลัวจะไม่ได้ใช้เป็นลูกคนเล็กกลัวจะไม่ได้ใช้มั้งเป็นลูกคนเล็กไม่มีน้องสาวชิดกะเพราเว้ยกะเพราเอาหิวอ่ะ
Yeah, that is one fluffy kitty. So he doesn't mind you petting his tail, his feet. He's laying on his side. You can pet his belly.
มันบอกพี่ระวังเราผมเดินถอยหลังเข็นรถอะมันให้ผมเข็นออกอะมันนิดเดียวอะมันบอกผมไม่ดูเองผมไม่ดูเลยมันเข็นรถเข็นไปหลังไปค่ะจะไปค่ะต่อให้มาส่งของจ้า
And I am J Tiger. J Tiger in Thailand. We've got over 3,000 videos of everything Thailand. So cars, high performance cars, high performance scooters. We've got a lot of trips. We've got a lot of food. Trips all the way up into Chiang Rai, all the way down to Phuket, Pattaya, Jomtien. A lot of stuff in Bangkok. A huge amount of all sorts of delicious food. So please give me a subscribe, like, and share.